Living room, dining room update part 3.
Are you guys ready for some shiplap and barnwood?
Here we go. Hello everyone and welcome back to our farm.
We are Jordan and Tysa Blaylock. For years we had been dreaming of having our own farm.
And then one day we bought this old farmhouse today.
It's full of stuff.
We happened upon this gorgeous 1920 craftsman style farmhouse on 12.5 acres. And we bought it, as is, full of stuff and in need of lots of love. So we packed up our kids, we sold our house, and we moved out to one of the barns in a little vintage travel trailer
while we restore, renovate, and add on to this beautiful old home.
Looks good. Action.
I'm putting this fir shiplap over the sheetrock. I'm mitering all the corners of the shiplap for the corner of the wall.
Painting the ceiling this dark gray so that the cracks and holes in the barnwood don't show through to the sheetrock.
Right now I'm cutting each of these shiplap boards to fit nicely against the stone on our fireplace. time for us to put this barnwood up.
So while doing this, you kind of gotta just assess each board and see how much you want to sand it. Some of them need a lot of sanding. Others, like this one, are so beautiful, I just don't think I'm gonna sand it at all. So I'm just brushing these ones with my little brush and getting all the dirt and the spider webs off and cleaning them up. And then these ones will just go right on the ceiling as they are.
Okay, you guys, don't show anyone my secrets, but pencil goes in the ceiling and you get your mark. Wow, what do you guys think of the ceiling now that it's up?
There was some hesitation initially when we announced that it would be barnwood. So now that it's installed, what do you guys think? Next week we will be tackling the library, and because it's all connected, this is the last little bit that has to be done before we can really wrap things up in here. We'll be patching the floor and doing the insulation.
And then drywall and shiplap and the ceiling in there.
And then we'll be able to paint and decorate.
Man, it's exciting that it's all coming together.
So we want to give a very special thank you to Kathy C. and Nell130, our new members that helped make this week's video possible.
Thank you so much. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you next time.
Here we have this beautiful, genuine cedar barnwood.
We're a mess, because you know why? Because we've been working. So we got to looking at this room with all the wood up, and it kind of has like an early 80s vibe to it, doesn't it? The fireplace, the wood paneled walls, the wood ceiling. So should we just keep it like this? Maybe we should go for like a cabin vibe.